When we feed our gut bacteria with healthy foods that they like dietary fiber, our bacteria make our immune system perform better. And nowhere is this more important than when you're actually fighting cancer.
Welcome to Vitalist Health Channel, your go-to destination for expert guidance on achieving optimal health and wellness. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that touches many lives around the world: cancer prevention. Like and subscribe to learn more stories and information about healthy living. What if I told you that some foods right in your kitchen could potentially play a role in fighting cancer?
Maybe there are some foods that can try to prevent tumors from getting their blood supply, anti-angiogenic foods that can cut off the blood supply feeding cancer.
Because what we eat is essentially our daily chemotherapy. While there's no surefire way to prevent cancer entirely, scientific research, including that of Dr. William Li, shows that the foods we choose to eat can play a pivotal role in reducing our risk of developing this complex disease. Among these powerful foods are certain fruits, each packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat cancer in unique ways. In this video, we'll explore 7 fantastic fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also offer potent cancer-fighting properties. From the juicy burst of berries to the tangy zest of citrus fruits, get ready to see how these natural delights can fortify your body against cancer.
Well, it turns out when you actually activate your metabolism, you burn down harmful body fat, you can shrink your waistline, your body tube actually gets a little bit tighter, and it lowers inflammation.
So grab a snack, preferably one of the fruits we'll discuss, and let's dive in. Before we jump into the world of fruit and its impact on cancer prevention, let's take a moment to introduce Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician, scientist, and author. Dr. Li is best known for his pioneering work in the field of angiogenesis and its relationship to health and disease prevention. His research has significantly advanced our understanding of how foods can function as medicine to combat cancer by influencing the body's natural defense systems. Dr. Li's approach to using common diet choices to influence health outcomes has inspired countless individuals to make informed decisions about their nutrition. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with his book, Eat to Beat Disease: The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. Recently, he published a new book called Eat to Beat Diet: Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. In this video, we'll delve into 7 key fruits featured in Dr. Li's new book, noted for their abilities to fight cancer and enhance fat metabolism. We'll examine how these fruits can be integrated into your diet to not only improve daily life quality, but also significantly lower the risk of cancer and unhealthy fat accumulation. Research has shown that nutrients like vitamin C can decrease the occurrence of various cancers, underscoring Dr. Li's belief in replacing traditional medicine with nutrient-rich foods for prevention and cure. Here is a list of the top fruits he most often refers to, beginning with tomatoes.
1. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, one of my favorites, contain a bioactive called lycopene that's been shown to improve your circulation, lower the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer, and also improves your metabolism by burning away harmful body fat.
Although often considered a vegetable in culinary contexts, tomatoes are botanically fruits and a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant. Lycopene has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, especially in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Highlighting the profound effects of certain fruits, Dr. Li speaks volumes about tomatoes, especially in their cooked form. Epidemiological studies have frequently shown that high intakes of tomatoes and tomato products are associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. A review published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute has summarized that lycopene consumption may decrease the risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene, an anti-cancer compound in tomatoes, is an androgenic agent that also promotes fat metabolism. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, is thought to function by reducing DNA damage and by influencing hormonal and immune systems to prevent cancer cell proliferation. Remarkable findings from another study showed that young and healthy women manage their weight and enhance metabolic health by incorporating just 1 tomato daily in their diet. Tomatoes are best prepared by heating, which alters the lycopene to a more absorbable form. When cooked in olive oil, lycopene's absorption is significantly enhanced, optimizing its health benefits.
2. Pears.
And the reason pears are so great are the fact that they've got chlorogenic acid, which is a bioactive, also found in apples, that can actually activate your metabolism and help you burn down harmful body fat. And chlorogenic acid is also anti-angiogenic, means it actually stops blood vessels from growing to tumors.
Loaded with chlorogenic acid, an agent known to boost metabolism and inhibit tumor-supportive blood vessels. Pears are also rich in dietary fibers, crucial for enhancing the efficacy of medical treatments and reducing cancer progression risks. Pears are rich in flavonoids like epicatechin and quercetin. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They may help prevent cancer by protecting cellular DNA from damage, inhibiting tumor growth, and inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancerous cells. Pears are a good source of vitamin C and vitamin K, both of which have antioxidant properties. Vitamin C helps protect cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to DNA damage and potentially cancer. Pears are very high in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health and has been associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly and can bind to and help remove carcinogens from the gastrointestinal tract. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a higher intake of fruits and vegetables, particularly those rich in fiber like pears, was associated with a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. Dietary flavonoids, found in fruits like pears, have been linked in various studies to a reduced risk of breast cancer, especially in postmenopausal women. This connection is thought to be due to the estrogenic and anti-estrogenic activities of flavonoids, which can influence breast cancer risk.
3. Kiwi.
Some amazing research has been done looking at which foods can help protect our DNA. And some of them are very ordinary, like a kiwi fruit that you might eat at breakfast. You know, that brown fuzzy ball, you cut it open, it's got this emerald green interior with a little white starburst. You know, it's kind of tart and sweet at the same time. Well, that kiwi is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. And it's been shown that eating just one kiwi a day can actually cause your blood to be fortified to neutralize about 60% of the incoming damage.
Kiwi, another nutrient powerhouse, is packed with vitamins and antioxidants vital for DNA protection and repair. Kiwi, also known as kiwi fruit, is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. This small, nutrient-packed fruit is particularly rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and various antioxidants, which can contribute to its potential effects against cancer. Kiwi is extremely high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative DNA damage, a key factor in cancer development. Vitamin C also plays a role in the regeneration of other antioxidants within the body and supports the immune system. Kiwi contains a range of antioxidant compounds, including flavonoids such as quercetin and phenolic acids that provide anti-inflammatory benefits and may reduce cancer risk by limiting oxidative stress in the body. The high vitamin C and E content in kiwi contributes significantly to its antioxidant capacity. Research has shown that antioxidants play a role in reducing the risk of cancer by neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress, a precursor to cancer. A study conducted by Collins, Horska, and Houghton, 2001, demonstrated that the consumption of kiwi fruit could enhance the repair of oxidative DNA damage. In their study, participants who consumed 2 to 3 kiwi fruits daily showed a significant reduction in DNA strand breaks, suggesting a potential protective effect against cancer. Some laboratory studies have suggested that kiwi may possess anti-mutagenic properties, helping to prevent the mutations of genes that could lead to cancer. For example, extracts from kiwi have been shown to inhibit the mutagenicity of certain carcinogens. Preliminary research has indicated that kiwi extracts may have the ability to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that kiwi fruit extract could induce DNA fragmentation in human liver cancer cells, leading to apoptosis. Regular consumption can significantly transform gut health, boosting protective bacteria and fostering an overall healthier digestive system. 4. Apples.
What's in an apple that's good for you? Chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid lights up your metabolism by burning down harmful body fat. In the skin of an apple, by the way, is something called ellagic acid. And you got to wash it really well anyway, but if you want one that doesn't have pesticides, get an organic apple, which will have more ellagic acid in the skin. Guess what that does? That protects your stem cells and lights up your metabolism. One more apple fact. Apples are one of the highest sources of a natural bioactive called procyanidins. Procyanidins light up your brown fat to burn down harmful fat. Again, good for your metabolism 3 ways, and also helps protect your stem cells to help regenerate your body from the inside out. What's not to like about this? Go for an apple a day.
Apples contain a variety of phytochemicals, including quercetin, epicatechin, and anthocyanins, which are thought to contribute to their anti-carcinogenic effects. These compounds help in the induction of tumor cell apoptosis and the reduction of inflammation. Studies suggest that the combination of nutrients and antioxidants in apples might help reduce the risk of cancer by preventing DNA damage, inhibiting cancer cell proliferation, and reducing inflammation. Research published in Planta Medica suggested that apple peel extract possesses potent anti-growth activity against cancer cells due to high levels of polyphenols. A large cohort study showed that an increased intake of apples is associated with a decreased risk of lung cancer among participants. Incorporating apples into your diet will reduce the risk of cancer. 5. Grapes.
So let me show you what happens when we put in an extract from red grapes. The active ingredient is resveratrol. It's also found in red wine. This inhibits abnormal angiogenesis by 60%.
Particularly their skins are high in resveratrol, which is noted for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Resveratrol interferes with all 3 phases of carcinogenesis: initiation, promotion, and progression. Resveratrol has been studied for its potential to reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic diseases. According to a study in Cancer Prevention Research, resveratrol has been found to inhibit the growth of a variety of cancer cell types, including gastric and colon cancers. Experimental studies have demonstrated that resveratrol can modulate multiple cellular pathways involved in cell growth, apoptosis, and inflammation. 6. Berries.
Their beautiful blue color comes from a natural dye called anthocyanin. That's an antioxidant that protects your DNA, helps build your immune system, and also improves your metabolism as well. So here's an idea. Why not enjoy a tomato salad, a slice of sourdough bread, and finish off with a nice bowl of blueberries?
Like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are densely packed with molecules like ellagic acid and anthocyanins, offering immune-boosting and anti-androgenic benefits. Regular berry consumption can significantly bolster body defenses without spiking blood sugar, contrary to common misconceptions about sweet fruits. They are also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and polyphenols. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage by free radicals, which are compounds that can lead to cancer. Berries also contain ellagic acid and quercetin, which have been found in studies to inhibit tumor growth and reduce inflammation. A 2016 study published in Cancer Medicine found that berry extracts could inhibit the growth and proliferation of several types of cancer cells, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Research also shows that berries can influence gene expression related to inflammation and cellular metabolism, directly impacting cancer cells' ability to grow and spread.
7. Pomegranates.
This is a pomegranate. It's actually a fruit from Asia. And inside this are a bunch of these ruby red seeds with juices. This really juicy little seeds. You can put them in salads. You can actually juice them as well. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called Akkermansia. This is a guardian of the gut and guardian of health, and it actually comes from the pomegranates.
Lastly, Dr. Lee emphasizes the advantages of pomegranate juice. Beyond its flavorful appeal, it fosters gut health and strengthens immune responses by promoting beneficial gut bacteria, potentially offering life-saving benefits for cancer patients undergoing specific treatments. Pomegranates contain high levels of ellagic, which are metabolized into urolithins. Urolithins have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects and can influence androgen synthesis, which is particularly relevant in prostate cancer. Clinical trials reported in cancer prevention research suggest that pomegranate juice can prolong PSA doubling time in prostate cancer patients, indicating a potential slowing of cancer progression. Human studies have shown that urolithins can inhibit the growth of breast cancer cells by inducing apoptosis and arresting the cell cycle. Dr. William Lee's research emphasizes that the natural compounds in these fruits not only offer delightful flavors but also provide substantial health benefits. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you empower your body with the tools it needs to fight off cancer and maintain overall health. Explore Dr. William Lee's publications, resources, and website for more in-depth insights on leveraging diet for health empowerment. We will have the links down below. Thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more informative tips and stories on how to improve your health.